up, everybody? Chef Seymour here, and today we're gonna make some chicken and waffles. To make some good chicken and waffles, you're gonna need some chicken, your utensils, 3 eggs, seasonings of your choice, some oil, honey, vanilla extract, cornstarch, baking powder, sugar, some flour, homemade buttermilk, some syrup, and then some hot sauce. Fun fact, it's pretty easy to make homemade buttermilk. What you need is 1 cup of milk, a half of teaspoon of lemon juice or vinegar, and then you put it all together in a small bowl and you let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and put it in your refrigerator. For this recipe, you're gonna need dry and wet ingredients. So in our dry bowl, we have 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of seasoning salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and finally 1 tablespoon of paprika. Now in our wet bowl, we have 1 egg, 1 cup of our homemade buttermilk, and then 1/4 cup of hot sauce. Now that we have our wet and dry ingredients, we have our seasoned chicken. You can season it with whatever seasonings you want, but I have this skewer here, so you can punch holes, many holes in the chicken, and then you're gonna pour your buttermilk mixture on top of it, and then it's gonna sink in there and add more flavor. Now let's marinate in our buttermilk. You can marinate your chicken in the buttermilk for however long you want, even up to a day, but make sure you cook the chicken. Now that our chicken has been marinating in the buttermilk for about half an hour now, we're gonna take each tender and dip it in the flour till it's fully coated. Now that our chicken is cooking, we can finally focus on the waffles. So in here I have 2 cups of flour, 4 tablespoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, tablespoon of sugar, and now we're gonna add 1 3/4 cup of milk. So make sure to preheat your waffle iron, and once it is preheated, spray it down with spray oil. Quick tip, you can close it and then you can turn it around, and then all the oil is there evenly. Now let's make our sauce. So right here we have half a cup of syrup, 1/4 cup of hot sauce, and then 1/4 cup of honey. Now we're going to put our half a cup of syrup into our skillet. Right after that, our hot sauce, and finally our honey. Now we're going to let that simmer on medium to low heat for 5 minutes. And also mix it. Now that everything's done, let's plate it. We have our sauce here. You can either have it on the side, or you could just go straight on, and that's what I'm gonna do. Now let's taste. Now let's try the chicken. That's some good chicken. I want to thank you all for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe.